Out of severe rage against the Tripura BJP government's mishandling and proper managements in the COVID care centers, Bhagat Singh COVID care patients showed inhuman and unsympathetic behavior with the doctor and medical team who went to admit 5 new patients in the B block of the COVID center. Doctors and healthcare workers, severely disheartened, raised questions saying for whom they are risking their lives. Humans losing their humanity. If so, this could lead to huge destruction. Not sure about all humans, but Tripura's COVID-positive patients admitted at the Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel and are under treatment showed a dramatic escalation in inhumanity. What has happened to human values? The year 2020 saw coronavirus pandemic upending life on a global level. The highly infectious disease has cruelly affected multiple places in the world. While on one hand, people across the state and around the globe are largely confined to their homes, with business and educational institutes all shut down in an attempt to contain the virus, and on the other hand, doctors, healthcare workers, medical staff members are leading the battle against COVID-19 from the front, putting their own lives at risk with selfless determination for the sake of saving lives. They are truly our heroes in these challenging times. While they are putting their own health, families, and most importantly, their own lives at risk, the least we should do is respect their efforts, appreciate them, and cooperate as much as possible. Needless to say, doctors, nurses, and people working in the healthcare sectors are highly vulnerable to the infectious disease. But in spite of highlighting their heroic efforts and tireless work, COVID-positive patients at Bhagat Singh COVID Care Center displayed inhuman and unsympathetic behavior with the doctors and healthcare workers who went there to admit 5 COVID-positive mothers who just gave birth to newborn babies at Tripura Medical College. Dr. Shongita Chakraborty, West Tripura District Health Officer, went to Bhagat Singh COVID Care Center to admit 5 positive mothers who just gave birth to babies in an ambulance along with her medical team on Friday. But as soon as the healthcare team stepped in to transport the patients in the B block of Bhagat Singh COVID Care Center, the patients came out and started to spit on Dr. Sangita Chakraborty and her medical team. They used abusive languages and did not allow Dr. Sangita and her team to admit the patients. She tried repeatedly to convince them for 5 long hours, but the patients already admitted there refused to cooperate and abused Dr. Sangita and her team using slang languages, also saying that the admission of new patients would create difficulties for them.
পেশেন্ট ছিল যারা পরে দেখা গেছে যে ওনারা পজিটিভ কোভিড-19 পজিটিভ। তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে একদিনের বাচ্চা সহ পেশেন্টদেরকে ট্রান্সপোর্ট করিয়ে যখন ভগৎ সিং আনা হয় হাপানিয়া থেকে, তখন মানে টিএমসি থেকে, তখন হঠাৎ করেই ওইখানে ভেতরে যারা ছিলেন তখনই ওনারা অশ্রাব্য ভাষায় গালিগালাজ, যেগুলি আমি এখানে প্রকাশ করতে পারবো না, এই সমস্ত ভাষা বলেছে এবং মাস্ক নামিয়ে, আমি বারবার বলছিলাম মাস্ক পরে কথা বলো না, মাস্ক নামিয়ে কাছে চলে আসছে এরকমও বলেছে, ওদেরকে ছুঁয়ে দাও, ওরা মানে এরকম গরু ছাগল ডাক্তার নাকি এই সমস্ত আরো অনেক কিছু।
Dr. Sangita Chakraborty felt devastated seeing the inhuman behavior of the COVID patients, while she said, for whom is she or the other doctors and healthcare workers working tirelessly, putting their own lives at risk? Here it is to be noted that the COVID patients admitted in the COVID care centers have repeatedly raised allegations on the low quality food, proper drinking water, and poor arrangements in the COVID care centers. The government must take strict actions and establish state-level dedicated COVID-19 hospital as soon as possible. As major institutes are dealing with both COVID and non-COVID patients, common public and healthcare workers, incentives should be declared for the healthcare workers. More medical officers, staff nurses, and other health staff should be recruited to combat the pandemic smoothly. And most importantly, the government must emphasize on the need of public awareness generation to win the war against corona. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.